Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So here in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can actually secure a loan from branch loan apps and what are the things that are actually needed from you before they can actually give out a loan to you. And also, if you want to download branch loan apps, so you can just head up to the Google Play Store on your mobile phone, and if you're using an Apple device as well, so you can head up to your Apple Store, then just search for branch loan apps. You can also search for branch, so it will give you the apps, so you can actually download from there. And then you can see the total downloads of people, and you see the review from different kind of people, what they feel about the app. And also you can also read through comments like this, so it will give you an idea on what you can actually expect from the app before you download the app. And also some of the comment reviews can actually solve your issue when you are trying to request for a loan on this particular app. So aside from that, I'm going to look now to how you can actually secure a loan from branch loan apps, which is and also online banking. We also look into the branch loan limit as well, so we can see if it's actually worth it. So we will know how much you can actually get when you are trying to request for a loan on branch loan app. So on the mobile app feature, we have home, we have wallet, we have loan, we have invest, and we have reward as well. So, and if I want to apply for loan, you can see apply for loan here. So you can see apply now. So on the apply now page, you can see how much you to get and how much you can actually expect from them, which is you can actually get approved for a loan starting at 6,000 naira up to 500,000 naira. So what actually tells is what kind of account you run, the kind of how much you actually earn, or how much your account receive on a monthly basis. That would definitely tell how much branch loan app can actually give you as a loan. And also they also have low interest rate, and there is no any hidden fees on the platform, which you can actually trust them. So they also have loan directly into your account within hours. So after confirming every details that is submitted on branch loan app, so they are going to run a background check on your account, on your details that they ask from you. Then that would tell them how much you can actually give you, and if they can actually trust you to give money to you on a loan, and also if you are going to pay them back. So the next thing for you, after clicking on the loans, then you click on start your loan application. So on the start your loan application, there are lots of features they actually need from you before you can actually get started. So before you can fund your wallet, that means before they can actually give you money. So we need just a few pieces of information from you. So the first thing they actually need from you is your legal name, how it is on your bank, how it is on your any means of identification card. So you can also provide your BVN on the second section here. So make sure you provide the right BVN so that they will run a background check, and with BVN they'll be able to know how much they can actually give you as a loan. They also have the date of birth, so include date of birth as it is in your bank account. So also have your gender as well, then your email address. So these are the things that are very, very important. So after providing all these features here, so the next thing for you is to click on continue. So after clicking on continue, that means you have agreed to the terms and condition on branch loan app. So I also suggest that you go through the terms and conditions and read everything listed on the page, so that you definitely know what you should be expecting, because literally people don't read terms and condition again because they just jump into what they actually want to do. And these are very, very important. And also you definitely know what they are getting from you, and if they did not tell you as you are providing or as you are requesting for a loan. So since they provide a link to the terms and conditions, so they believe that you definitely read it and go through everything. And once you agree to everything, then you continue. So these are the terms and conditions. So you can take your time to read everything, so you know what is needed from you, and you can see the terms and condition page is very, very much. So I don't know which one you would like to read if you are trying to get a loan from them. So, but of course, it's definitely very important if you are looking out to get a loan from any platform, or trying to get something from any platform or any website. So you have to take the terms and conditions. Just imagine you want to borrow a loan from a cooperative, so they will definitely list their terms and conditions for you, that you have to deposit something, and if you did not pay back as at when we promised, definitely they are going to sell that your property. So it's the terms and conditions which you have to follow. And once you don't follow it, then anything that happen after, you have to face the consequence. So that's how terms and condition actually works. So aside from that, just click on continue. Then after the continue, so then they will run some background check on your account. So after running some background check on your account, the next thing for them to do is to email you how much it can actually give you as a loan. They'll email you how much they can give you as a loan. So from there, you'll be able to know if that amount is quite cool for you or not. And if it's not cool, the next thing for you to do is just head up to another loan apps, or just collect that one, then head up to another loan app and collect what they have for you as well. So that once you gather everything together, you'll be able to, it will amount to something, and you'll be able to do what you actually want to use the money for. So this is all the way you can actually use to secure a loan from branch loan apps. So if you have any question regarding the video, regarding branch itself, you can drop a comment below and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as it really means a lot to me. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.